The next step is Part 1 Contractor's Financial Statement. In the Part 1 Contractor's Financial Statement section, select Edit to open the new screen. Make sure all of the yellow fields with flags are filled in since that is required information. Note there are resources in the top right-hand corner that can help you fill out this section. If you click any of the links, a PDF will open. You can save the PDF, or you can print the PDF for your records. In the General section, click the down arrow under Contractor Organization Type to select your organization type. Note that the required fields could change depending on the type of organization you've selected. So depending on what you pick, the questions can change. So we've selected corporation. Enter the date of incorporation by clicking the calendar. Answer the question, is contractor an affiliate, subsidiary, or division? Click yes or no, and then enter the state of incorporation. Go to the Contractor Financial Statement section. Fill in the highlighted fields, total current assets, total current liabilities, book value of equipment, balance sheet date, and statement type. You can click the down arrow in statement type, and there's 3 options to choose. We selected audit. Once the required information is filled in, select Save at the top of your screen to save your information. You'll receive the message that the information was saved successfully. Some documents will need to be attached to your application. You can click Validate at the top of your screen, and a message will show which documents need attached. A reminder message will pop up to remind you to always save your information before starting a new section. I have already saved my information, so I can click OK to go to the next screen. So it says that we need to enter the financial statement document. So if we slide down to our attachment section, click the down arrow under document type, select financial statement, type in the attachment title, and type in the description. Click Choose File, find it in your list, and click Open. Your file is now showing on the screen, and you can click Save to save your file. If you slide down to the attachment section, you'll see the financial statement is listed. So go back to the top of your screen and select Validate. And you can see we received the message validation completed successfully. The next section to look at is organization leadership name and address. If you need to add any new employees, click Add. In the Details section, type in the title or select the title. Enter the employee name and address. You can click Save at the top of the screen to save the information. You will notice that your employee is now listed below. If you need to delete an employee, you can select Delete at the top of the screen to delete any employees. If you need to add another employee, you can select Save and New. Once all of your employees have been added, select Save and Exit to return to the previous screen. The last section to look at is Line of Credits. Review your line of credit to see if you need to add any new lines of credit. If you do, select Add on the right-hand side of your screen. Enter in the financial institution name, the amount of the line of credit, and the effective date. You will also have to add the line of credit. You can click the down arrow, but there's only one document to choose. You would type in the attachment title, the attachment description, click Choose File to find your file, and then save whenever you're done. Once all the information is listed, you can select Back. And your line of credit is listed at the bottom. Before going to the next section, select Save to make sure all of your information is saved successfully. Select Validate one more time just to make sure nothing else needs to be attached. You received the message that your validation completed successfully. So now we are ready to go on to part 2.